So currently in stock, we've got a whole range of Avant machines. So these little green machines range from the little petrol ones right up to the diesel, even doing an electric one. Don't forget, we've got log splitters in stock. Just ordered another 25 of those. A couple of our diggers. We'll go to the digger area in a minute and see some of the construction stuff. But again, we've had phenomenal success with the Yamaha range already. We've got more on order. We've got a whole selection of used combines and foragers. So if you're looking for a deal, speak to Dan Phipps. We've got everything ranging from W series up to the impressive S series. Again, in foragers, we've got some 8000 series and a 9600 as well. If you're looking for a used tractor at the moment, we've got everything in the range. We've got something right from a 5075E right up to 8000 series, everything in between. At any one time, always got around 50 to 60 used tractors in stock. So call us for a deal. We've also got some other colours in as well, bit of New Holland. We've got a few Class in the moment and some Fendt. So why don't you have a look on our website and you'll see all the details you require, all priced up, ready for looking for new homes. As the UK's largest John Deere turf dealer, we always have a range of Gators in stock, everything from the petrol right up to the impressive diesel and R series, now with aircon, so ready for the summertime. Like I'm sat on here now, commercial out front mowers. We've also got a range, as you can see, of compact tractors, X900 series commercial mowers as well. And if you don't want to sit and do it yourself, we of course sell the impressive Bomford Turner flail bot. So I've got a couple of those in stock at the moment, a demonstrator and a brand new one ready to go as well. So as you can see, we've got so much stock, we're kind of compacted in here, but talking about compact, these little beauties here, the KT276s, so 6 metre with a 2.7 tonne lift, compact, perfect for plant or utility work. Two of these ready to go, leading up to the KT407, most popular Kramer we're selling at the moment. This year alone, we've sold over 50 new Kramer machines, but of course that's meant way for plenty of different colour trade-ins. So here's an example of one of the JCBs we've got in. Got another 10 used JCBs in and quite a selection of Manitous. So it's not just all about used stock we're talking about today, it's also about new stock. At any one time we've got over 150 new John Deere tractors in stock or on order. So we've got something of every size. We've got 5, 6, 7, 8. We've even got a 9620 RX due in for a demonstration this season. So as you can see along the lineup, all different specs, all different gearboxes. So if you want a price on a new tractor and you want to drive something away today, give us a call. So difficult to get hold of at the moment, but we have compact tractors in stock, everything from the 1 Series 1026R right up to the 4066R and everything in between. So here's a few that just out this morning. We've got a second-hand one that's just come in as well, and as you can see, James Moore amazingly is in on a Saturday and he's rearranging a lot of this stock, as you can see, so it will look even tidier by Monday. All of our machinery that comes in, of course, is expertly validated by our team, so they're DEFRA certified, ready to go out. So a few more tractors around this side of the yard. These ones are ready to go out to a customer. As you can see, this one's been done ready for plant spec with the green beacon, the high visibility strips, part of a big order about to go out. 7R just arrived fresh off the boat from America. That's going to be prepared for a customer. And moving down the line, we've got the 6215R and a U7310 that again is about to be exported. If you're interested in any of our new machinery, we've released this year the big book of machinery. As you can see here, 48 pages packed full of everything we've had in stock or we've got coming into stock. We have sold an awful lot of it. David will share the link after this YouTube video so you can download it digitally, or if you want from your local salesman, give us a call or drop us an email, sales@farol.co.uk, and we can even pop one in the post for you. So it's one of the UK's large, no hang on. We are one of the UK's biggest, one of the UK's